Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you pair guys your Bluetooth earphones. Guys you want to pair guys any Bluetooth earphone guys, neckband Bluetooth earphone. So as you can pair, as guys you can see I have this Bluetooth neckband. So as I will pair it to my Poco phone. So as how can I pair? So guys, first of all guys I will on my phone setting, and guys you can see guys your Bluetooth setting. So I tap here and guys on your Bluetooth to pair, and guys I will on guys this earphone. So I will on it, and guys I will have to refresh. So I will refresh it. After refresh guys you can see guys your Bluetooth earphone name. So guys as you can see guys ubon, my I have this company ubon company earphones. So as I will tap here to pair, then guys you can see it's pairing. Wait for a while, and guys you can see this pair option. So guys I will pair from here. So guys this earphone will pair to my phone, and guys I can use it while watching movies, listening song like that. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earphone to our Poco phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys. Before going please go and like my video.